to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Let's get into our hot topics.
So we're starting it out with Nick Cannon. Allegedly, Nick Cannon is already on his 10th child, and we see what Mariah Carey was saying when she said that Nick is off the hinges. Actors and actresses actually came out to speak their opinion on the situation, and Vivica Fox was one of them, saying that Nick Cannon is just, he needs to stop.
This is a thumbs down, because there's a difference between childish and childlike. Nick, you're both of them.
Exactly.
Now we see the reason why you have the show Wild 'N Out, because you're strung up. You're doing too much.
Damn!
You know what? This actually rolls into our She's Hot contest winner,
Yes.
Miss Mariah Carey.
Congratulations, Miss Mariah Carey, on your win. We actually really feel for you because Nick Cannon he's not exactly healthy, but let's get into the rest of our hot topics and let's spill the tea.
Yes.
So for our first hot topic, Kylie Jenner files for trademark brand from Stormy as the star continues to snub her son.
I'm going to stop you right there, Dr. Ross. This is a thumbs down topic.
Exactly.
Kylie Jenner made her money from the bubble dolls. That's all I have to say.
Analyze.
On to our next hot topic, we have Zendaya. On September 1st, Zendaya celebrated her birthday and she looked scandalous. We'll put the picture right here where she had some bow belt jeans and a crop top shirt on, and she went to have her birthday dinner with Tom Holland and her co-star from Euphoria. I want to say her name is Hunter, so we'll put it right here.
This reminds me a lot of the last time she won an Oscar or Grammy, and she had a party with her parents dressing all out scandalous. I don't know if you guys recall that one, but we'll put the link right up here.
And that's what we love about Zendaya. She's like Samuel Jackson. They play low down and dirty in the TV shows, and then they rig up outside of it. A true celebrity.
Exactly.
Let's get into our next hot topic. So I guess the She-Hulk show, if you haven't watched it yet, IK and I have been seeing episodes here and there, but the She-Hulk show is getting a lot of controversy with their new episode releasing where She-Hulk brings on Meghan the Stallion and they twerk together.
I thought I was dating Meghan the Stallion.
I'm sorry, what? Sorry, you thought you were dating Meghan the Stallion?
That's right. There's only one Megan Thee Stallion.
Hottest, you ain't never gotta heat me up.
Oh, you are way more fun than my last lawyer.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
This is a thumbs down for me. I've been hearing about this topic, and I've been hearing about a lot with the new Marvel TV shows. All of them are not good. Miss Marvel, She-Hulk, Moon Knight,
Eternals.
Hawkeye, Eternals, all of those films have just been horrible. The only good TV show is Loki.
And Black Panther's coming out soon. IK and I will be in the next one.
Yes, we're excited for that. Let's get into our next and final hot topic with a few films that we've seen recently. One is the film with Idris Elba called...
True.
It was a genie film called...
1,000 Years of Longing.
Yes, that film was just a debacle. I hate to say it, it was a thumbs down. I was looking forward to it, and it was bad. It disappointed.
Exactly. And then he also played Beast, where
that one...
we don't know how whoever the director was for that got the money. It's just a thumbs down.
We don't know who their actors or the background actresses were, but they were horrible.
Some random people in there.
And another film we saw was Honk for Jesus, Save Your Soul.
Absolutely
now this one
horrible.
was a thumbs down.
With Regina Hall.
I didn't anticipate this one. I wasn't looking forward to it, but apparently a lot of people were hyped for it because Jordan Peele and Daniel Kaluuya were
the
producing.
producers, and we see what this skill level has done.
They spent, at the minimum, I'll say $2 million on this film. And that's, you know what, that's exceeding. They could have spent less.
But for better shows and better news, we want to talk about how, I think her name is Angela Yeezy. Angela Yeezy now has her new, her own talk show. She separated a little bit from the Breakfast Club where they had the Charlemagne the God. And so that should be a little bit interesting. We're going to put a clip in right here for you guys to see it.
What's up, it's Angela Yee, and welcome to Way Up with Angela Yee. Listen, that feels so crazy to say that, but you know, this is going to be my new page. I'm excited for my new show. It's going to be starting in the fall of this year.
So we were hearing about this a little bit earlier, on the actual Breakfast Club TV show and talk show. And, you know, Dr. Ross, it's better for Angela Yee. I congratulate her on this. Keep on
Angela's
keeping
stepping out by herself.
We look forward to being on your show, Miss Yee.
That's right.
That's for you. These are all of our hot topics, but make sure to like, follow, and hit that notification bell. And
Yes.
stay tuned on our Instagram and check out our Patreon and links down below.
And make sure to comment down below what you thought about the hot topics, because we want to know your opinion too, because the audience is always right. And IK and I are still working on the Personals.xyz. We're getting closer to the end of the film. If you are an actress or an actor aspiring to be getting into the film industry, contact IK and I at our email, rosengold.us@gmail.com, or answer us or DM us on our Instagram. We now have 300,000 followers, so we'll get back to you if we don't respond immediately, but
That's the way the business goes.
exactly.
But Dr. Ross has written 21 movie scripts and 15 children's books, Dr. Ross and I.
That's
So
right.
we're working on tons of different films.
And
if
we're
we don't
gonna be
choose you
on-
for this one, we still have many, many more films for you to put in.
Exactly.
We have some big names in our films. We've got Mr. Randy Green, DK the Groover. We're going to be working with him soon on the soundtrack and for the film The Personals.xyz. So
That's
make
right.
sure to stay tuned for the behind the scenes footage.
And of course, IK and I love to give back. So the children's books, since school is wrapping right around again and kids didn't have the opportunity last year with the COVID hitting, we're going to be giving away, when we go on different talk shows and morning shows, we're going to be giving away 50 of our children's books so that your children can get back into reading.
That's right.
Close off.
So make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube and Instagram channels.
That's right.
We'll see you on the next episode of Rosengold. Other than that, that's for you, Kylie Jenner.